if you are trying to make videos in follow from your country and you are living in maybe in Europe or in Asia, then you might see this option follow is not available in your country yet. But there is a way back that you can choose to access this unreleased version in your country, and in this video I'm going to show you. So what you need to do, you need to use any kind of free VPN, and you need to choose other countries that are accepted, like in my country and also in Europe. Like I'm living in Italy now, so here is not available as you can see on my screen. But if we try to connect through a tunnel or port through other countries, then it will allow you to give access to this unreleased flow from your country. So for my case, I am using a VPN. It's called IPVanish. You can also use pre-VPN. Any VPN is working with this because it's not very well protected through this VPN tunneling. So you just need to use any VPN. For my case, I am going to use this Singapore location because I feel like it's a bit faster for me. So you can also choose United States or other approved country, and this can then connect like this. Now you just refresh this page, and this is the URL to this labs.google /fx /tool/pro. This is the link of this. So we refresh the page and let's see. Now you can see, now you have the access to the follow. Now you can sign in with your account. So I'm going to sign in. That's it. Now I'm inside my follow account, and here I can generate videos with the VO3. So this is the settings. You can see this is the model I have, VO3 highest quality. And now you can generate videos through the VO3 with Google, and in follow you can also create a screen step by step. So in this way you can access this website if you are living in unsupported country. So thank you for watching.